Let's talk about the magic of convection cooking, a feature that's a must-have in modern kitchens. If you're aiming for faster, more even cooking results, convection is your answer. It uses a fan and exhaust system to circulate hot air around the oven cavity. This consistent airflow ensures that heat is evenly distributed, cooking your food faster and more uniformly than traditional baking or roasting methods. With convection cooking, your dishes come out perfectly golden brown and crispy on the outside, while staying juicy and tender on the inside. It's ideal for roasting meats, baking pastries, or even dehydrating snacks. Plus, because it cooks more efficiently, you can usually set the oven temperature 25 degrees lower and sometimes even less time than you would allow for conventional cooking, saving you time and energy. Convection cooking allows you to cook multiple racks at once without any hot spots. Every rack will bake consistently and evenly, so you can bake more in less time. If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, look for a kitchen range with convection capabilities. The experts at Schaefer's are ready to help show you how you can make your cooking faster, easier, and more delicious than ever.